Hi guys, welcome to Lake Bled in Slovenia. Today I'm testing out my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 on a quick adventure. This tiny camera has been getting a lot of buzz and I'm curious to see how it performs in this beautiful location. Quick disclaimer, this video isn't sponsored. I mean, I would have loved for DJI to sponsor this, but for now I got this myself. So I'm hopping on a board to check out the island in the middle of the lake. The Pocket 3 feels compact, easy to carry and seems perfect for this kind of on-the-go filmmaking. But will it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Despite the slightly shaky boat ride, the smooth gimbal stabilization has been quite impressive so far. The footage looks pretty stable. I'm not a professional vlogger, but this camera feels super easy to use even for beginners like me.
So we are inside the Bled Lake Castle. No, this is not the castle, this is the island where there is a church. It's quite hot here. It's about 39.
It's already 30.
Oh, 30, sorry.
The battery life in this is quite impressive. I've been filming all morning and it's still going strong. The creator combo I got even includes a backup battery, so that's a bonus. If you're looking for a compact, lightweight camera that's easy to use, it's totally worth it. As I walk through the island, I am impressed by how easy it is to switch modes with just a quick tap. Overall, I found the interface quite user-friendly. Is DJI Osmo Pocket 3 the ultimate travel vlog camera? What do you think?
Okay, so we just went for a boat ride to the island. And I must say it is really hot.
Let me know your thoughts below. Like and subscribe for more adventures. See you in the next one.